Hello dear friends, I am Sanju Pendarkar, Director of Pico Laboratories. Welcome you to my YouTube channel and blog. Today I am going to share with you my experiences about Bahrain. Bahrain is a separate country in GCC countries. GCC means Gulf countries. And in Gulf countries, you are aware there are deserts, desert safaris, and there are oil mills. Means oil has been discovered there, and these people took a lot of efforts to make the country beautiful. To make the country beautiful is not an overnight job. Day and night, people of Bahrain work harder, and beaches are always clean and absolutely wonderful water with green color, blue color, and it's a pure water to be drank. Anybody even feel that the water is so pure. So my experience about the Bahrain is wonderful. It is famous for oil, pearls, and World Heritage. Dear friends, our distributor Jufri and Sons is doing a very good job since last more than 3 decades.
Hello dear all. Myself Sanju Pendarkar, Director of Pico Laboratories. With my 45 years of experience in the field of business management, I am coming up with an online course to guide those individuals who want to become entrepreneur and successful businessmen. You can register for the online course through the link given in the description. Thank you very much.
So Bahrain is a lovely tourist destination, and when you went to beach, you feel that you can have plenty of time there, enjoy the scenery, and whole day you can spend on beach. Before the discovery of oil, Bahrain was popular for being the connecting port for modern day Iraq and South Asia. It is famous for pearls trading. So pearls, you are aware, it's important because there are fake pearls are also available in the market. So Bahrain is a right destination and devoted to pearls and fisheries, and as late as 19th century was considered as finest in the world. So dear friend, do visit Bahrain. People are lovely, nice, cooperative, hassle-free immigration, and again I'll tell you, once upon a time you should visit Bahrain. Thank you very much for patient hearing. Thanks a lot. I'm coming back to you with new video and my experiences. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care.